Alright, so in this video, Cameron's going to explain a little bit about the different types of accounting firms. Like always, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay right to the end, and I have a little bonus for all you job seekers. Do you want to just give us a rough indication of what a mid-tier is and the difference between a mid-tier and a tier 1 firm?
So the way the accounting profession talks about the structure of our industry, and this is in relation to what we'd call professional practice, right? So these are firms that provide services to other businesses. You've got what are called your big four firms, which are Deloitte, KPMG, Ernst Young, and Pricewaterhouse. They're considered the big four pillars at the top. And then you've got what are called second tier firms. So Pitcher Partners, Shine who I work for, what else is there? PKF, I think, is sometimes referred to there. There's a few, there's probably a dozen that sit as that second tier. So they're considered, big CBD-based firms, but not necessarily, they're not of the scale of the big, what are considered the big four. So the firm I've worked at these days has about, I think, 300 people work there. So it's, it's to put it into context of how big that might be. Look, I would never know how many work for Pricewaterhouse. I'd imagine it'd be at least a few thousand. So, it kind of, that's the difference in scale between them. And then underneath your second tier, then you've got your mid tier, and then you go out to your larger suburban and then smaller suburban firms.
Okay guys, you made it to the end of the film, so I've got a little bonus for you. This is for all job seekers and potential job seekers. At the bottom of this video is a link to my free course. It goes through how to prepare for a job interview and the things you need to look out for. It covers fashion, your hygiene, things you need to prepare for, things you shouldn't say. Likewise, exercises you can do to become confident just before the job interview. These are things that I did and it made me successful. So if you'd like access to that, click on the link below. Likewise, I wish you the best of luck in your job search.